Here's a step-by-step guide to fixing issues where only one AirPod works at a time or the volume is low on the left or right AirPod of your AirPods Pro, AirPods 4, or AirPods 3. First solution is forgetting and reconnecting the AirPods Pro form device. Fix the connection issue. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to Bluetooth, and tap on the I button next to the AirPods name. Again, find the last option. Forget this device. Confirm with the Forget device, and that's it. Now pair your AirPods again after Reset AirPods. As you can see, the Reset button appears at the back of the charging case. Put both AirPods into the charging case and keep the lid open. Then, press and hold the Reset button on the back side of the charging case for at least 15 to 30 seconds. Until you flash amber white then red. That's it. As you can see, my iPhone shows a setup pop-up on the screen. Tap on Connect to set up again. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you set it up, try and check the issue is fixed. The second solution is on your AirPods case interrupting left/right earbud charging. If it's not working or there's no sound, then clean your AirPods and reset them. Over time, sweat builds up on metal connectors during a workout. So wipe down those metal connectors with a soft cotton cloth first, only by one on left and right AirPod like this. Now, clean up the connector from inside the charging case. As you can see, it appears on both the left and right AirPod slots. Use ear cleaning cotton buds, rolled inside the charging hole, and clean up like this on both the left and right AirPod. Alright, here's what you do. Take both your left and right AirPods and put them into the charging case. Now, you'll see a button on the back of the case. Press it and hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds. You'll see a white light flash then turn red. That's all there is to it. Play some music and check if it fixes the problem. If the issue persists, or if the volume is low due to audio balance settings, take a look at the stereo settings under the accessibility options of your iPhone. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Accessibility Settings, and under the Hearing section, tap on the Audio and Visual option. Scroll to the Balance section, and adjust the audio volume balance between the left and right AirPod. Now, connect the AirPods and check if the sound is coming equally from the left and right AirPod. Another helpful solution is to reset Bluetooth settings with the option Reset Network Settings on the iPhone. Launch the Settings app on iPhone, scroll to General option. Now, scroll to the last option and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Tap on the Reset option and go with the option Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode, then wait for your iPhone to reboot once. Check that the issue is fixed, and connect your AirPods again. By doing this, your saved Wi-Fi is reset, connect with Wi-Fi again, and fix all connectivity issues like dropping the Bluetooth connection or disconnecting AirPod itself. Another helpful solution is to turn off volume limit for AirPods. Disable the volume limit for headphones if enabled from the iPhone settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Sounds and Haptics option. Again, scroll to Headphone Safety, and turn off the Reduce Loud Audio toggle. Alternatively, we can manage it from the AirPods Bluetooth settings. Go to Bluetooth Settings, and tap on the I button next to the AirPods name. Scroll to the Audio section, and disable the Loud Sound Reduction toggle. That's it. Use Direct Wall Plug if one of your AirPods isn't charging. Here's what you can do. First, make sure you're using the original charging cable and adapter. Then, plug your AirPods into a wall outlet and let them charge for at least 30 minutes. If the problem persists, there might be a hardware issue. and you'll need to take your AirPods to an Apple store for repair. Before that, contact Apple support, get the basic details, and discover how Apple can help you fix the problem. Go to the Apple support website, getsupport.apple.com, and select AirPods from the product. Select the Start a Repair option, and select the Audio and Sound option. Choose a topic of your problem. Suppose I am going with the option, left or right AirPod not working as expected. Find an option for chat, call or email from Apple support. Or make a reservation to look for a Genius Bar or Apple authorized service provider to get in-person support. Check and get free repair and replacement if you would like to check. Are you eligible for free repair or replacement? Then you can do it on Apple website. Head over to the coverage check page on Apple's website. Then, find the serial number on your AirPods Pro and type it into the text box. Enter the CAPTCHA verification code and continue with the button given in the last. Here's your AirPods Pro purchase date. Check the status for coverage expired. That's it. I hope you found this helpful and were able to fix it. If you do, please don't forget to share it with others. I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks a bunch.